AI creates custom perfumes based on your DNA. Imagine a world where your signature scent isn't chosen from a shelf, but is instead coaxed from the very essence of your being. A world where a spritz of perfume doesn't just evoke a memory, but encapsulates your identity. This is no longer the stuff of science fiction. The frontier of luxury and personalization is being redrawn at the intersection of artificial intelligence and genomics, leading to a future where your perfume is as unique as your fingerprint and a great deal more aromatic. The concept of AI crafting custom perfumes based on your DNA is a thrilling, slightly absurd, and utterly fascinating leap into a new era of bespoke identity. The process begins not in a Parisian perfumery, but with a simple, sterile-looking DNA collection kit. The comedy of this moment should not be lost. The profound, epical act of unlocking your genetic code is initiated by the deeply unglamorous act of vigorously swabbing the inside of your cheek. You mail off your genetic blueprint, a tiny vial containing the story of your ancestors, your predispositions, and apparently, your ideal top notes, and then you wait. It's a peculiar kind of anticipation, akin to waiting for a horoscope, but one written by a biochemical supercomputer. This is where the AI, the digital nose of the operation, performs its magic. Traditional perfumery is an art, a delicate dance of a nose blending hundreds of essences based on experience, intuition, and trend. Our AI is a savant with no sense of smell, but an unparalleled sense of data. It cross-references your genetic markers with a gargantuan database of olfactory information. It isn't just looking for what you might like. It's deciphering what you're fundamentally programmed to respond to on a biological level. The science behind this is both complex and comically relatable. Certain genes, like our 2J3, influence how we perceive the compound responsible for the green, grassy scent of cilantro, which, famously, tastes like soap to a portion of the population. Your DNA can reveal your sensitivity to androstenone, a compound found in truffles and pork, which can smell like vanilla to some and like sweaty urine to others. The AI sifts through this data, avoiding potential disasters. It wouldn't, for instance, craft a scent heavy with a note you genetically perceive as rotting garbage, no matter how expensive the raw material. Instead, it seeks harmony. Perhaps your genes show a high affinity for citrusy notes like limonene, making you feel invigorated and alert. Maybe you have a genetic variant that makes sweet, vanillic scent particularly comforting. The AI becomes a matchmaker, pairing your biochemistry with its library of molecules to create a scent profile that is scientifically, irresistibly you. The resulting fragrance is a liquid autobiography. The top notes might be a zesty burst of bergamot and black pepper, reflecting your energetic and slightly impulsive nature. The heart unfolds into a floral tapestry of jasmine and iris, mirroring a hidden romanticism your LinkedIn profile desperately tries to conceal. The base notes, the soul of the scent, could be a grounding, enigmatic blend of vetiver and amber, a nod to a deep, genetic stubbornness you inherited from your grandfather. It's a scent you've never smelled before, yet one that feels inexplicably familiar, like a memory you never had. The first time you spray it on, the revelation is profound. It doesn't smell like something you wear. It smells like a more intense version of you. Your skin, but better. Your mood bottled. Of course, this brave new world of olfaction is not without its potential for hilarious mishaps. One can imagine the glitches. The algorithm that, after analyzing a CEO's DNA, produces a scent overwhelmingly of napalm and ambition. The romantic comedy, plot waiting to happen, When two people's perfectly matched DNA perfumes react catastrophically when their wearers stand next to each other, creating a cloud that smells suspiciously of regret and wet dog. There's the existential crisis of the minimalist whose DNA scent is bafflingly complex with over 300 notes. Or the horror of receiving your bottle labeled Eau de You, only to discover your fundamental scent is grandma's attic and faint regret. The marketing alone would be a goldmine. For the man who is 2% Neanderthal, try our new rugged, smoky accord. Beyond the comedy, the implications are profound. This technology democratizes the concept of a bespoke fragrance, moving it from the realm of celebrity and extreme wealth to anyone with a curiosity and a swab kit. It could revolutionize how we connect with others, moving beyond visual swipes on dating apps to olfactory matching. Your DNA and hers create a complementary sillage of mutual attraction. It even holds therapeutic potential, creating calming scents for those with anxiety based on their genetic predispositions for relaxation. In the end, the creation of perfume by AI and DNA is a beautiful, bizarre, and brilliant symphony of science and art. The artist is an algorithm, the muse is your genome, and the canvas is the air around you. It is a testament to human ingenuity, our relentless pursuit of personalization, and our ancient desire to express who we are. It takes the most ephemeral of arts, perfumery, and anchors it in the most fundamental aspect of our existence. So the next time you spritz on a scent, consider the future, a world where you don't choose your perfume and it doesn't choose you. In the most literal sense, it is you. And that is an idea that smells like progress, with top notes of wonder and a base of delightful absurdity. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.